Are you new to the world of digital marketing? Don't worry. In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about getting started. By the end, you'll understand the basics and how to kickstart your journey. First things first, what exactly is digital marketing? It's all about promoting products or services using the internet and online platforms. This includes social media, email, search engines, websites, you name it. Unlike traditional marketing, which relies on print, ads, and billboards, digital marketing uses digital channels to reach customers where they're already spending their time, online. Think about how much time you spend scrolling on your phone or browsing the web. Digital marketing meets your audience right where they are, offering an opportunity to promote your business 24/7. Let's quickly go over the major components of digital marketing. Search engine optimization, SEO, is all about making your website more visible on search engines like Google. If someone searches for a product or service you offer, SEO helps you show up on the results page. The goal is to rank higher so people find your business first. Content marketing. This is where you create valuable content. Blog posts, videos, or social media updates that attracts and engages your target audience. The more helpful your content, the more likely people are to trust your brand. Social media marketing. Using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok to promote your products, build brand awareness, and engage with customers. Each platform has its own strategy, and we'll dive into them in future videos. Email marketing. Sending targeted emails to your subscribers with special offers, product launches, or updates. Email marketing has one of the highest returns on investment when it's done right. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, allows you to place ads on search engines or social media, and you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. It's a great way to drive traffic fast. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about why digital marketing is so important, especially in today's world. More people than ever are online, making it the best way to reach a broad audience. Whether you want to sell products, build personal brand, or drive traffic to your website, digital marketing is essential. So how do you get started? Here are 3 simple steps. 1. Pick a niche. Decide who you're trying to reach. Are you targeting local businesses, stay-at-home moms, or fitness enthusiasts? Knowing your audience is key. 2. Learn the basics. Invest time in learning about each area, like SEO, social media, and email marketing. There are tons of free resources out there, and I'll be covering them in future videos. Or you could invest in a done-for-you program, which is the route I took to speed up my learning process. I mean, why make things harder on yourself when you could learn from people who have accomplished what you want to do and are literally guiding you step by step. And number 3, and probably the most important, take action. The best way to learn is by doing. Start a blog, create a social media account for your brand, or experiment with simple ad campaigns. You'll learn as you go. Or if you're like me, join a program that offers weekly live trainings and plug into and learn quickly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to grow your online presence. In the next video, we'll dive into how to start digital marketing with zero experience.